Hey guys, welcome to another episode about SQLite. So for today we are going to deal with group by keyword. How this works. Let me show you an example. Okay, now we have records from our transaction table, and in order for this to look much better, I'm going to join our cashier table to this one. In what way? I'm going to select transaction ID and cashier name and cashier second name from transaction and cashier table, and condition is going to be that transaction cashier ID must be equal to cashier ID. So now this looks much better. So what is the point of this group by keyword? Purpose of group by is to group rows with same values in some particular column. But in order for you to understand this, I have to add some code to this. So if I want to group this selection by cashier name, this is what is going to happen. You see, all of duplicates are eliminated. Well, now you can conclude that if this is the only thing that group by actually can do, that means that group by it's actually not very interesting and not very useful function. But group by it's not used in this way. Let me show you how to use this function in a really good way. I'm going to provide another column that is going to count cashier. In this column we are going to get a number of how many repetition is of the same value of cashier name, and I'm going to add alias to this, C for count, and let me show you what we have now. You see, we have Emily White repeated twice, John Johnson 3 times, only one transaction is signed by Mick White, and so on. And now, in order for this to look much better, I'm going to provide another keyword, order by C. If I run this code, you see, now we have one really good looking list. And if you want, we could remove transaction ID and just put C in the front, remove last comma, execute this. Yeah, now we have much better result. So guys, this is all for this episode. If you like this content, please subscribe and see ya.